It's great to be here with you today. I'd like to talk to you about the hydraulic interlocking soil brick machine ZC2-25. ZC2-25 is designed to produce interlocking soil bricks and paving blocks. It can produce different shapes brick by changing the molds. This video is divided into 3 parts: function, production display, and equipment structure. Breeze bricks can be installed on the walls or floors of a house to create natural or assisted ventilation channels. They help promote indoor and outdoor air exchange, improve indoor air quality, and reduce the growth of moisture and mold. After the ventilation bricks take in shape, they need the help of the panel turnover machine to demold. Paving bricks are a high-strength product with high strength and convenient construction which can be used in urban roads, residential areas, parks and scenic walk, etc. They are popular among people because of their beauty and low cost. This is the 2 round holes interlocking brick. It is the most common shape and widely used in house construction. For the U-type brick, its quantity requirement is much less than the full brick. But it is indispensable during building houses. It's often used in the middle of the wall to pour cement, put electric wires and water pipes. This is the half brick. There is a little demand for half brick, but it helps in zero wastage. The half brick is used at the position of T-junction and corner. ZC2-25 is a semi-automatic interlocking brick machine. It adopts hydraulic forming technology. The operating handle controls the rise and fall of the hydraulic cylinder, achieving brick forming and demolding. Workers can learn to use it within 5 minutes. The storage hopper is installed some wheels. Therefore, it can move back and forth smoothly, greatly reducing the labor intensity of workers. A skilled worker can produce about 2,300 bricks of size 300 by 150 by 100 millimeters in 8 hours. ZC2-25 is a semi-automatic interlocking soil brick making machine. It can be powered by diesel engine or a 5.5 kilowatts electric motor. You can confirm the option on base of your actual situation. That's from me. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications getting the newest video. For more information, please visit www.jingchenmachinery.com.